Hi guys, welcome to Shetri Roadside Repairs channel. This video is about central support bearing for prop shaft for BMW. This is bearings from rear prop shaft, BMW 330 X-Drive diesel automatic transmission. This is how the central support bearing looks like, and this is the number. This is the old bushing, but bearing is replaced there. So when you go with aftermarket part, this is part, the whole assembly is pretty expensive if it's original. If you are looking for a decent aftermarket bearing, basically pay attention on clearance inside the bearing. Basically this bearing should be C3 clearance, and I have original one which creates slight noise. This is original BMW bearing which I unpressed from the bushing. So original one, in this case, this is C92 330 X-Drive automatic transmission. Original one is Koyo, and here you see the number 6006 RK8, I guess. C3. As you can see, it is C3 bearing. C3 means increased clearance inside. Why? Because prop shaft rotates very fast. On this diesel car it is approximately 3 times faster than the wheels, and because of that this bearing gets pretty hot, and under normal working temperature clearance inside becomes normal. If you check another bearings, this is the bearing from some very well-known good brand aftermarket. As you can see, it is NSK, and there is no statement that it is C3. It is just 6006 DU. I'm not sure if it is C3 bearing, likely it is not. This is another bearing from, again, aftermarket good brand. It is just no-name bearing, which is 6006 RS. This is SKF bearing, completely the same spec. I mean, inner and outer diameter are totally the same. Basically, this is the number of that bearing. And when you are looking for aftermarket central support bearing, make sure that the bearing inside is C3. In this case, it's gonna work, it's not gonna create noise or whatever, because likely what happens, it rotates if it's not C3, you know, high temperature, the grease inside degrades, then later you feel noise. On a C3 bearing you should feel very well the play, and you can even see it. I hope it is visible how inner race, you know, plays. On other bearing like this one, for example, I feel maybe some play sometimes, but it's definitely smaller. I'm not sure if it's C3 or not, and likely it is C3 bearing. Original BMW also has a play, and it's not because it is old. Maybe it's visible again. You see another no-name bearing, no C3 markings. I don't feel play at all here. In case if you have still good rubber, like in this case, this is old original central support bearing, but the rubber is still great, no whatever issues. You can actually replace the bearing there. When you press the bearing there, use BMW special oil. You know, this oil becomes dry, you know, after installation, after a couple of hours. Here, as you can see, it's still there a bit. Be careful here, because press fit here is very light, so double check that it sits perfectly. I was able, you know, to press it literally using my hands, you know, with this oil, but now it doesn't move. Now I cannot move it by hands, and it sits evenly there. Better to replace the whole assembly, just because something can go wrong with this press fit, especially on aftermarket. The best option, of course, it is original one, you know, or look for aftermarket where you feel the play. You should feel the play, it's not an issue. It is C3 bearings. Maybe not every bearing has C3 markings on them, you know. New BMW bearings, they have noticeable play, you will notice it immediately. This is what I was talking about, play. When the bearing is pressed and you do this, you feel not only play on the rubber but also on the bearing. At the same time, there is absolutely no any sound, but play is very noticeable. Maybe you can see from here play on the bearing. So guys, long story short, I don't want to mislead you, but I believe that better to have a bearing with marking C3 and where you clearly feel a play. I heard a lot of reviews that cheap China central support bearings, you know, they create noise and stuff like that, and I believe it could be related to this. Please share in the comments what do you think about all that. I don't expose brands that I tried for that, and also NTN, it is great bearings as well as SKF. I hit bearings to approximately 42 degrees. This is NTN, which is likely not a C3. This is original, which is likely C3. Play here feels bigger. And here it's a bit less. Here feels definitely more. Not sure how to measure it. But see, this is C3 original coil. Here just a bit less. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this is helpful and it might explain why cheap aftermarket central support bearings doesn't work well. The issue is that manufacturers of aftermarket central support assemblies, I mean the whole bushing, everything, they maybe don't use exactly the same tolerances as BMW. Maybe it's not C3 bearing, maybe it is kind of CN, normal clearance bearing, but it is also kind of range, right? It is not just one value for the clearance depending on the manufacturer and application. So be careful when you go not for original option, and also if you still have good rubber, or if you have some kind of cheap aftermarket with good rubber, maybe it makes sense to source, you know, bearing which is similar to this. Thank you for watching.